Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video I wanted to share with you 4 hairstyles that are super quick, super easy and can all be done in under 60 seconds. This video is as much for me as it is for anyone else because I am definitely guilty of having absolutely no time in the mornings and resorting to throwing my hair into a ponytail or sticking it into a bun to get it out of the way so I can just leave the house as fast as possible. These hairstyles can all be done in under 60 seconds, so around about the time it takes you to do an ordinary ponytail, but I think they're a little bit more interesting. So before we get into it, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty content. I'm going to start off with a little disclaimer. This is not what my hair looks like when I first wake up. Unfortunately, I really wish it did look like this when I rolled out of bed in the morning, but it doesn't. So I quickly ran my GHDs through my hair to create my curls. It would probably add 5 minutes onto these hairstyle looks because I have a really quick method of curling my hair with my GHDs. I actually have a video of how I create my everyday curls. If you would like to go and see it, I will leave it linked down below. So I am starting these hairstyles off with some curls. I would definitely do them on straight hair as well, so don't worry if you don't have that extra 5 to 10 minutes to curl your hair. Let's get into the hairstyles.
So to create this half ponytail look, you're going to want to start by separating the hair at the crown of your head to create a little half pony. This is going to be where your twist ends up. So you can really put it wherever you would like the twist to be. It could be lower, it could be higher, whatever you would like. Then you can go ahead and secure this little half pony in place. I would definitely recommend using a hairband that is the same colour to your hair or a clear elastic. It just makes hiding it so much easier at the end of this hairstyle, but we'll get to that in a second. Next up, holding on to that hairband, just go ahead and loosen the hair. So just take tiny little bits of your hair and pull it out just to loosen it, give it a softer look at the front of your head and to make sure it's not pulling on your roots throughout the day. Creating the twist is so easy. All you need to do is run your fingers down to the top of the hairband and gently separate the 2 bits of hair, creating a small gap where your ponytail can be flipped and pulled through. All you want to do is make sure you don't create too big of a gap because it loosens the overall effect and you'll kind of lose the structure of the ponytail at the end. So just create a small gap, flip the ponytail through, making sure you have all of the ponytail through, and there you have it, a little twist. I really like going in and pulling apart the twist just to give it a little bit more volume, and I guess just making it look a little bit less tight and perfect. I think for a look like this, which is really romantic and pretty, I think you definitely want a really easy lived-in look, so just pulling apart the twist is going to give you a little bit more of an easy, effortless final effect, if that makes sense. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and I need to hide the hairband, because I don't know about you guys, but I think every time you hide the hairband it just kind of elevates any look, especially one like this where the hairband is quite obvious. So all you need to do is take a small section of hair from the back of that half pony and just wrap it around the hairband until you get to the end of that little strand of hair, and then all you need to do is take a bobby pin and secure it in place underneath the twist so no one can see the bobby pin or how you have hidden your hairband. Hairstyle number 2 is a twisted ponytail, and I'm cheating here a little bit because we are starting with the half twisted ponytail that we created in hairstyle number 1, but let's be honest, that maybe takes 20 seconds, so you're good. This hairstyle's really quick anyway. So starting off with that half twisted ponytail, all you need to do is clip it out of the way. I am using a crocodile clip to do that. Just clip it out of the way so you can deal with the rest of your hair. The rest of your hair is really simple. All you need to do is gather it up into a ponytail. Once you have that bottom ponytail in place, you just need to release the top section to bring it down to meet the other ponytail, and then you're just going to join these to make one super ponytail. So just take another hairband and join those 2 ponytails together. And then once I had those ponytails in place, I just went ahead and just gently teased that twist out a little bit more just to loosen it up, making sure that it was looking sort of nice and soft around my face, that I was happy with everything. It was tight enough, it was loose enough, you name it. I was just making sure before I go on to hide the hairband again. So same thing as the last hairstyle. All you need to do is take a small section of hair from the back of the big ponytail and wrap it around the hairband, securing it in place with a bobby pin. Pull a few sections out at the front, loosen it up, making sure you're happy with the look from the front, and you are done. Hairstyle number 3 is a twisted bun, and I've only just realised that 3 out of 4 of these hairstyles has the word twist in its title, so there's a lot of twisting going on in this video. This hairstyle starts off by creating a half ponytail, so all you need to do is create a half ponytail at the crown of your head. To create a bit of volume at your crown and just to soften the appearance around your face, you can just gently tease out sections from the base of the hairband. This just will soften everything up, give it a little bit more of a messy vibe. If you are looking for a sleek, perfect look, skip this step. Then to create the twisted bun, all you need to do is separate that ponytail into 2 sections, and then you're just going to twist those 2 sections around each other, working your way down until the whole ponytail is one twist. Once your twist is ready, just go ahead and gently tease out different sections of the twist. This is a great trick to do with twists or braids to make it look like they're a lot thicker than they actually are. I personally really like that sort of not perfect, sleek look, especially for a look like this. Then, once you are happy with the volume you have created, just go ahead and wrap it around your hairband to create a bun, holding it in place until you can pin it in place. And then, once you are happy with where it is, the shape, you can just go ahead and secure it with bobby pins, making sure you are putting the bobbly side of the bobby pin, technical term there, next to the head, because that is the part of the bobby pin that is going to grip the hair. And make sure the bun stays in place for as long as possible, and you want a secure bun. As you go ahead and pin it in place, you can kind of mess with the shape a little bit. So if you have created a bun that you want to sort of make it look a little bit bigger, give it a bit more shape, make it look a little bit more round, then just go ahead and pull sections out until you create the bun shape that you're happy with, and then you're done. The final hairstyle is a folded bun, and I'm really sorry if that's not a very inspiring name. I couldn't come up with a more interesting name, but it's a really elegant hairstyle. It is perfect for a formal occasion or those days when you just want to feel a little bit more fancy, because, you know, who doesn't need that in their everyday lives? I do. This hairstyle starts off with a low ponytail. Once you have that ponytail in place, you're going to want to secure it quite tightly because it's going to be the base of your bun. Once it is in place and secure, just go ahead and pull out sections at the base of the hairband. This is quite important because it's going to create a lovely amount of volume for when the bun is finished. The more volume, I think, the more elegant the final effect, if that makes sense. It will make sense hopefully at the end once everything is finished. Next up, you're going to want to secure the ends of your hair with a clear hair elastic or any small hairband that you have. The smaller the better in this case, because the hairband is going to be rolled into the finished bun. So the bigger the hairband you use, the more likelihood of it being shown or being seen in your final bun, which is not a good look. You don't want that. So use a small hairband. Then once you have all of that secured in place, to create the bun, all you need to do is wrap the hair around your fingers and then gently wrap the hair up to meet the base of your head to create a chignon bun. And then, once you have the bun secured in place, with one hand, use your other hand to get a large hairpin and then go ahead and start pinning the bun to your head. You are going to want a larger hairpin for this because it's going to give you more grip than a bobby pin, but then just go around the bun, pinning with using big hairpins and smaller bobby pins where you need them. And this bun can take a lot of pins, so you don't need to be stingy with the pins. Just use as many as you need to make sure that bun is really secure. Definitely finish this bun off by giving it a spritz of hairspray. You can also smooth down any flyaways or any smaller bits of hair that are kind of not playing ball. And then once you are happy with the shape and everything is secured and it's not going to go anywhere, you are finished with this bun.
So those are my 4 super quick and easy everyday hairstyles. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye guys!